On July 28, 2025, inside a Florida courtroom, a moment unfolded that sent shockwaves across the country. A message to the streets of America. There is no honor among thieves. But this wasn't a case of stolen goods. This was a case of stolen lives. In this video, we're talking about Florida drill rapper Ksoo and how his own father took the stand against him. 26-year-old Hakeem Robinson, known as Ksoo, made a name for himself in Jacksonville's drill scene, a member of ATK and close with Young and Ace. Ksoo rose through the ranks during a deadly rap rivalry. That rivalry would seemingly end in 2024 when Julio Fulio was assassinated in Tampa. But Ksoo wasn't free to celebrate. He had already been locked up since 2020, awaiting trial for murder. He now stands trial for the broad daylight killing of Charles Lil Buck McCormick, ambushed after a job interview in a plaza. One witness described the scene. His leg was separated, half his face was gone, his teeth were on the sidewalk. Jacksonville PD used forensic video, 3D laser modeling, and expert witnesses to compare the shooter's build to Ksoo's. Out of 3 suspects, only Ksoo matched. The others were excluded. They can't say for sure it was him, but they're saying it wasn't the others. Investigators also found Ksoo's fingerprint on a rifle, his hair on a t-shirt in a crash getaway car. But all of that pales in comparison to this next part. Dominique Barnes, aka Butter, was a getaway driver. To save himself, he confessed and agreed to testify against Ksoo. Ksoo's lawyers say Butter is just a paid hitman cutting a deal, offering to trade his testimony for 20 years instead of life. But betrayal by a friend? That's nothing compared to what's next. 52-year-old Abdul Robinson Sr., known on the streets as Blue, is Ksoo's father. He was also arrested, charged as an accessory after the fact. Blue got a call after the shooting. He drove to the scene and helped Butter and ATK Scotty escape. Facing up to 60 years, Blue made a deal, plead guilty, testify against his own son. In exchange, a recommended sentence of just 76 months, about 6 years. And on July 28, 2025, he did exactly that. He took the stand. He looked his son in the eye, and he told the court, "That's him. That's my son. He did it."
Did you ever see him walking about the house?
Yes.
Did you see him in music videos?
Yes.
Right. Are you familiar with the way he moves?
Yes.
Are you familiar with, or 5 years ago, were you familiar with the way his build was, his physical characteristics?
Yes.
And after January 15th, 2020, you became aware of a video recording that captured the murder of Charles McCormick. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you've had an opportunity during the pendency of your case and the discovery to see that recording.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Did you, when you viewed that recording, recognize the person depicted in it?
Yes.
Who is the person that was captured on the video recording shooting Charles McCormick?
My son.
What's your son's name?
Hakeem.
After the murder of Charles McCormick, did you become aware of a post on Hakeem Robinson's Instagram account referencing something that happened?
Yes.
And
Young and Ace said he spent $50,000 on Ksoo's legal defense. But a lawyer can't help you when your own father is pointing at you in court. And remember, this isn't even Ksoo's only case. He's also charged with the murder of Bibby, a close friend of Julio Fulio.
realized that you were testifying testifying against not only co-defendants, but family members.
Yes.
Why are you doing that?
Well, I have a number of reasons.
What are they?
I got some health issues. I got 2 6-year-olds and an 8-year-old daughter. And, when my 8-year-old daughter asked me when I'm gonna come take her to the daddy-daughter dance.
Objection, hearsay relevance.
Overruled. Good.
When she asked me over each year when I'm gonna come take her there, and I keep letting her down. Then my 6-year-old son, when he asked me if I'm gonna come to his football games, come take him fishing. My other 6-year-old, he asked me, when I'm gonna come see him. When he begging me, please come see me, daddy. He wanna teach me how to play the game, but he don't know where I'm at. Things like that.
If this isn't the definition of no loyalty in the streets, what is? Your homeboy folds. Okay, that's expected. But your own dad? And the craziest part, Blue said the reason he snitched was because he has other young kids asking him when he'll be home, asking when he'll take them to school. But where was all that father energy for Ksoo? If Blue had been a father first, maybe none of this would have happened.